Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon NaturallySpeaking Pro, and I'm going to talk to you today about an important command that lets you move the mouse without use the mouse cursor without using an actual mouse or using the keyboard. So first, we're going to start by, as we always do, turning on the microphone. Wake up. Move mouse down. Faster. 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 Stop. Go to sleep. So as you see, the mouse pointer on the screen moves up and down, and this can be used in word processing software as well as anywhere on your desktop, whether it's on the internet or desktop or within any kind of a program. You could use the move the mouse up command. You could also use the move the mouse up command. Move mouse up. Wake up. Move mouse up. Faster. 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 Stop. Go to sleep. So this is an excellent tool, especially if you need to use hands-free and no keyboard. It's not the fastest way to get around, but for people with limited mobilities, or if you just want to get used to using this function, you can. So once again, I'm Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or you could go over to my website and learn more about my Dragon NaturallySpeaking Quick Start e-course, which will give you a quick start guide to how to use Dragon NaturallySpeaking quickly, effectively, and efficiently. See you soon.